Think about this. One machine can lift more than 20 cars, tear through solid rock, and reshape the earth in minutes. You've seen excavators your whole life, but you've never truly seen what's happening inside them. Every movement you watch is powered by invisible force, extreme pressure, and precision engineering working together in perfect harmony. And what we're about to uncover will completely change how you see construction forever. Imagine standing next to one. You hear the deep rumble of the engine, feel the vibration under your feet, and watch the arm move with slow, unstoppable power. But here's what nobody tells you. The engine isn't actually doing the digging. Something far more fascinating is hidden beneath the surface. And once you understand it, you'll never look at that arm the same way again. Before this machine ever moves, its journey begins deep inside the earth. The steel that builds an excavator often starts in iron ore mines in Australia or Brazil, where massive drills break rock containing around 60 to 65% iron. That raw ore travels thousands of kilometers to steel plants, where it's heated to over 1,500 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt solid metal into liquid fire. And this is just the beginning of a transformation most people never think about. Inside steel mills, impurities are burned away, and carbon levels are carefully controlled to create high-strength alloys. Even a small change in composition can mean the difference between a machine that lasts decades and one that fails under pressure. Most manufacturers aim for extremely durable steel that can handle constant stress, shock, and vibration. But here's the surprising part. This steel must also remain flexible enough to absorb impact without cracking. Once formed, these steel plates travel across continents, by cargo ships, trains, and trucks, sometimes covering over 10,000 kilometers before reaching the factory. The logistics alone are staggering. And yet, this entire global supply chain exists just to create one machine. But what happens when those raw materials finally arrive at the factory floor? This is where things Before any excavator leaves the factory, it faces extreme testing. Engineers simulate years of stress in just days. The machine lifts heavy loads repeatedly, operates under maximum pressure, and runs continuously for hours. Rejection rates can reach up to 5% if even the smallest defect is found. Because failure in the field is not an option. Globally, more than 1 million excavators are produced each year, powering industries worth over $50 billion. China leads production, followed by Japan, the United States, Germany, and South Korea. Over the last 50 years, These machines have evolved from simple mechanical systems into intelligent, semi-autonomous giants. But the future may be even more surprising. Electric excavators are already entering the market, reducing emissions and noise. Some advanced models can even operate with partial automation, guided by GPS and sensors. Imagine a machine that digs perfectly straight trenches without human input. It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. And this is where the industry is heading. So the next time you see an excavator, don't just see a machine. See the minds, the fire, the engineering, the people, and the technology behind it. Because what looks simple on the outside is actually one of the most complex machines ever built. And once you see it that way, you can't unsee it. The next time you hold one of these in your hands, remember, it didn't just appear. It was born from the earth, shaped by fire, perfected by technology, and approved by the strictest standards in the world. That's not just a product. That's a masterpiece of human engineering. If you want to go deeper into the hidden world of manufacturing, tell us in the comments what product you'd like to explore next. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you inside the next factory.